In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Firefox AI chatbot to Anthropic Claude on your computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see here on my Firefox browser, I have ChatGPT set to my default or my current sidebar chatbot, which means I can search straight from here. However, I wish to change this from ChatGPT to Anthropic Claude. To do this, just go ahead and click on menu here, and then you should see settings. If you click on settings, now you can see more options here. Go to the side menu here and look for AI controls option. From this, scroll down until you see AI chatbot provider in sidebar, and currently you can see it is set to ChatGPT. To change it, go ahead and tap on it, and we have quite a number of options here ranging from Anthropic Claude, ChatGPT Copilot, Gemini, and LaChat Mistral. I wish to change to Anthropic Claude, so I'll go ahead and just choose this. And now you can see our chat option on the side menu or on the sidebar has changed to Anthropic Claude. So if I go ahead and open a new tab, now you can see my sidebar chatbot is set to Anthropic Claude. I can now proceed and search for anything straight from my Firefox browser without having to visit the website directly. So that's how you can switch to Anthropic Claude as your sidebar chatbot on Firefox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.